I think I've heard you in some video. You said this video is not for traders. If you're a trader, maybe you should leave the video.
Yeah, I always say that. See, I feel I have very strong philosophy regarding that. So, as I told you some minutes back also, that you go to all the temples and ultimately you will return back to the satsang. That there is no Bhagwan, there is a group of people who are talking rationally. So, there will be no chamatkar. So, I feel trading is a zero-sum game. I think 1 or 2 days back only I was listening to Nitin Kamath, Zerodha. 1 in 100. So that's what his data says. 1 in 100 is making money in trading. He must be a smart trader. So we can, so number is in crores, so we can relate that. So there will be lakhs of people who are making money in trading.